Good evening, Dominica, and welcome to tonight's weather broadcast. I'm your presenter, Marshall Alexander. Taking a look at this area of interest here to us, which is tropical wave located out in the Atlantic. This is Dominica right here in the red circle, and this tropical wave is expected to approach the area by early next week. Taking a look at the moisture associated with that tropical wave, a significant amount of moisture associated with that wave at this time as it moves closer to us in Dominica. Taking a look at infrared satellite imagery, what it showed, a relatively dry atmosphere across the area of Dominica during today, with an upper level trough affecting mainly the Leeward Islands. Now taking a look at earlier visible satellite imagery, what it showed, a few patches of low level clouds which moved across the area today, resulting in occasionally cloudy skies with a few scattered showers across Dominica. Taking a look at the Saharan air layer, or what is termed Saharan dust. As you can see, the dust has already started to affect us in Dominica here today, with an increasing concentration expected during the next few days before the approach of this tropical wave by late Sunday into Monday. Now let's look ahead as what's the projection for rainfall. Tonight, a relatively dry atmosphere expected, and as you can see out here, we have this approaching tropical wave being shown in blue. And for tomorrow, 8 a.m. tomorrow, relatively dry conditions continue near Dominica and in the area of the south, with that tropical wave approaching from the east. Again, 8 p.m. on Saturday, relatively dry conditions again expected, with only a few passing showers or isolated showers expected across Dominica. By 8 a.m. Sunday, this tropical wave has drawn closer to us in Dominica, and by 8 p.m. Sunday, we should begin to feel the impact of this tropical wave, bringing an increasing cloudiness with scattered showers and possible isolated thunderstorms. Earlier radar imagery showed a few pockets of showers which moved across Dominica today, and this resulted in scattered showers across Dominica and mainly across the islands to the south. For tonight, the weather is expected to be fair to occasionally cloudy, hazy and occasionally breezy with a few brief isolated showers. Similar conditions can be expected tomorrow, with temperatures on the west coast up to 34 degrees Celsius and in the interior 32 degrees Celsius. Sea conditions are expected to be slight to moderate, with waves peaking near 7 feet. High tide will be at 3:05 a.m., low tide at 10:20 a.m., another high tide at 4:46 p.m., and another low tide at 9:20 p.m. Relatively dry conditions can be expected on Saturday into Sunday, with an increasing cloudiness, scattered showers, and possible isolated thunderstorms expected on Sunday with the approach of this tropical wave going into Monday. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:40 a.m. and sunset will be at 6:40 p.m. Please remember that we are in the hurricane season, and remember, preparation is key because it only takes one. Have a good weekend.